is that sound? No, it's not a bird, but it's an aeroplane. Let's make a banana aeroplane. How fun is that? Boys and girls, before we start touching food or eating food, it's really important that we go wash our hands. Our hands are super dirty from all the playing we did today. So let's go wash our hands at the sink together. Wash your dirty hands, wash your dirty hands. Rub and scrub and wash your dirty hands. To make this banana aeroplane, all you need is a banana, some sultanas or raisins, and also some plain white yogurt or even whipped cream, whatever you like. To make our banana aeroplane, you will need some equipment and some adult supervision. Boys and girls, you will need a chopping board, a knife with adult supervision. This is a child safety knife, and I'm going to use it to slice the bananas in a moment. And you'll also need a blue plate. Why is it blue? Because it's blue like the sky. It's time to peel a banana. Let's do it. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Super fun. Okay. Peeling the banana. Leave the peel there. All right, boys and girls. This is where we need to get creative and make our banana aeroplane look like a real aeroplane. So what I need to do is I need to hold the banana with one hand, and I'm going to slice with the knife using my other hand, and I'm going to cut a little section off there. Keep it there. Stay there, banana. Okay, now I need to cut another section here. Keep it there. Stay there, banana. All right, this part now, I need to slice it in half. So this resembles the body part of the aeroplane. So I'm gonna slice it right in the middle. If you don't do it in the middle, it doesn't matter. Give it a go. Let's go. Ooh, zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Ta-da! And I'm going to put that straight onto the plate. It's a little bit bendy, doesn't matter. This one here, keep it, because I'm thinking we can use the banana to create all the parts of the aeroplane. All right, so let's keep slicing our banana to make some wings for the plane. Let's get creative. Maybe this one here we can put at the front just like so. Maybe the tail at the end. Maybe I'll use, let's use this one here, hey? Doesn't matter, there's no wrong or right way, just get creative. There we are. Oh, my fingers are a little bit sticky. I'm going to give them a wipe so I can keep creating my beautiful banana plane. All right, let's move that to the side. We can eat those banana pieces later for something else. But let's get creative. This is the fun part. I'm going to use the sultanas to push lightly, gently on top there. Now, is that a person or is it a window? You decide. Let's get creative. Put as many as you like. Just like so. There we are. Oh, the plane is going up into the sky, and in the sky I can see some white fluffy clouds. So now I'm going to put some little dollops of the yogurt onto the plate, and let's pretend they're fluffy white clouds. Oh, it's getting very cloudy up high, high in the sky. Oh, how how fun and how cute is my banana aeroplane looking? I think it looks amazing. There we are. Smells great too. So boys and girls, how quick and easy is that? The banana with lots of windows and lots of people flying up in the clouds. Zoom, 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 zoom. It's time to clean up. Clean up your area so you can keep enjoying your yummy, yummy treats. I don't like to waste any food, so with these banana pieces, some yogurt and some sultanas, you can create something else. Maybe you can create a banana boat, or you can practice slicing and dicing, counting and enjoying the yummy, tasty treats all together. Yum, 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 yum.